If you are on a diet or getting fit, but really craving for some desserts, how about make this banana chia seeds oatmeal cake? To make this cake, you will need 3 ripe bananas, 1 egg, 30 grams of protein powder. You can use smashed oats if you don't have protein powder. 1 tablespoon rolled oats, 10 grams chia seeds, some nuts, and some raspberries as you prefer. If you are going to make this by oven, preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius first. Then mash 2½ bananas in a big bowl. Beat an egg. Add protein powder. Stir. I used vanilla flavor by the way. Add rolled oats. Stir. Chia seeds. Stir. Crushed nuts. I used walnuts here. You can add mixed nuts for a richer taste. Some raspberries are the icing on the cake. Pour the mixture into baking pan. I used heat-resistant glass bowl instead. Topped with half of a banana slices on the surface. Alright, bake in the oven at 170 to 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Well, I use water oven. After 43 minutes, the cake is done. Let's see. Well, I baked a little bit longer, but it looks kinda great, right? Eating time. Yum, of course. This cake is not only easy and quick to make, but also healthy and containing high protein. Let's give it a shot.